In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a channel in Discord. Cloning a channel is a quick way to recreate a channel's structure without rebuilding settings from scratch. It's perfect for setting up consistent formats, separating topics, or preparing seasonal or project-based spaces while keeping your server organized. Before we start, a quick note on permissions. To duplicate a channel, you need the Manage Channels permission on that server. If you don't see the option I'm about to show, check with a server admin or the server owner to make sure your role allows it. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Discord and head to the server that contains the channel you want to clone. Make sure you're in the correct server and you can see the channel in the sidebar. This works for both text and voice channels. Next, locate the channel you want to copy and right-click it. A context menu will pop up with several options related to that channel. In that menu, click Duplicate Channel. This tells Discord to create a new channel based on the one you selected. Discord will generate a copy using the same core settings as the original, including things like permissions, category placement, slow mode and NSFW flags for text channels, bitrate and user limits for voice channels, and any default permissions tied to roles. One important thing to know, message history is not duplicated. You'll get a clean, fresh channel with the same configuration, but none of the previous conversations. When the duplication dialog appears, you'll have the option to give the clone channel a new name. This is optional, but it's a good idea to pick something clear so you can tell it apart from the original at a glance. You might add a suffix like to, archive, or a date, depending on how you plan to use it. The channel will also keep the same category unless you move it later. Once you're happy with the name, go ahead and confirm. Discord will create the clone channel immediately. You should see it appear in the same category as the original, with the same permissions and settings already in place. From here, you can start using the new channel right away. If needed, you can fine-tune its settings later, but the clone should already match your template. If you don't see the duplicate channel option at any point, that usually means your role doesn't have the right permissions, so reach out to an admin for help. And that's it. Quick, clean, and consistent. You've just learned how to clone a channel in Discord.